Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking, and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, delicious, and healthy juice. It's going to be pineapple we have over here, blueberry, lime, or lemon, orange, with a bit of ginger. Sit back, relax. Do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, do subscribe, and leave positive comment. Let's get into the video. So to make our juice, I'm going to use a bit of this pineapple. You don't need all of it. I will use a bigger portion, and if I do need more, I'll definitely use the rest. Just going to remove the skin of this. So some of the benefits of pineapple. Pineapple have a longer lasting antioxidant in it, and it's good like when you have injury or you go through certain operation. It's very healthy in that way. Not only that, pineapple also is good for arthritis. Very healthy thing. And as you know, the good old ginger here. Like me personally, I don't leave my house without having some form of ginger. Ginger is good for bloatedness, also good for nausea. This thing is very healthy, good for arthritis. It's good for pain. That's why you see this is a popular ingredients. Now, we look on the box here over here. We have some blueberry. I'm going to take you through some of the health benefit of the blueberry. So blueberry here is good for cardiovascular disease. It's good for diabetes. Also, it's good for brain function. Also, it's aid digestion. If you have type 2 diabetes, this is the fruits for you. We have some orange here. We have lemon, which is full of vitamin C. We're going to combine them all together. But now I'm going to make the juice in a different style or pattern, and I'll take you through the process. I'm going to load my pineapple in first. You'll see what I mean. After the pineapple, we're going to go in with the ginger. This juice here I'm making is very healthy. Not only that, I just discovered that you can even have this in the evening, because this will help you to sleep. Also, there's something I just realized 5 minutes ago. This also helps to clean your system. Bit of lemon, bit of orange in this. Now, to help the blending process in this, I'm going to go in with some water. That's personal preference. Okay, so this is finished blend. You're gonna see how I make this juice. It's gonna be very interesting. Now, as I always said, I don't like bits in my juice, so I'm gonna pass it through. All this is personal preference. This is a very good blender, so I don't really have to strain it, but I like to strain mine. So I'm just shaking this to get everything out. So the bits what I don't like in it, that's what I mean. I don't want this in mine. So you're seeing those froth on the top there. I'm going to remove them. So just get yourself a spoon. I'm going to skim this off. As you can see, look at that. You see the lovely pineapple color, rich pineapple color there. So this pineapple have a bit of lime in it, ginger, and also orange in it. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to skim the top off. I'm just going to pour some of it out in this. So the next part, what I'm going to work on is my blueberry. So the blueberry, we're just going to load them in this. We're going to add a little bit of liquid to this. So this is what I'm going to do. I want to watch carefully. I'm going to put some of the pineapple and the ginger, the orange in this one. We're going to blend it out, and you're going to see what I'm going to do with this. Let me know in the comment section how you like to make your healthy juice. And if you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. So now I'm going to blend the blueberry. See how lovely this is. So this is how I want to do my drink. If you notice something, look at this. Tell you, this is going to be so delicious. Just watch the technique what I'm using. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Let me know what you think of this video. It doesn't get better than this. Have you seen the techniques I'm using? The blueberry is heavier. So that's what I want. The blueberry to stay on top. So I think I can get 2 out of this. Look at this. Just look the color, the different color in this. This is so delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this content, please do like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. It's a pleasure having you, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this, how beautiful this is. is so delicious.